Welcome to this video and we're going to describe this cue card.
One person who has had a significant impact on my life is my grandmother. She's my mother's mother and I've known her all my life. She's been a constant presence in my life, offering support, guidance, and love. My grandmother has always been a role model for me in how to live a kind, compassionate, and giving life. She's always there to listen and provide advice, and she's never judgmental or critical. She's taught me the importance of family, community, and service to others. One way that she's impacted my life is by instilling in me a love for reading and learning. She's always been an avid reader and has a vast collection of books that she's shared with me over the years. She's encouraged me to read widely and to explore different subjects, which has broadened my knowledge and perspective. Another way that she's impacted my life is by showing me how to be resilient in the face of adversity. She's overcome many challenges in her life, including losing her husband and dealing with health issues. Despite these obstacles, she remains positive and strong, and she never gives up. The impact that my grandmother has had on my life is significant because she's helped shape who I am today. She's taught me important values and skills that have served me well in my personal and professional life. I am grateful for her presence in my life, and I hope to continue to learn from her wisdom and example.